everyone, Aleena Rose here. Welcome back to my channel. എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. So today, as you saw in the title, it's just a recipe. ഒന്ന് എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. എങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ എടുക്കും, എങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ വോയിസ് ഓവർ ചെയ്യും, എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻ കറക്റ്റായി ചെയ്യുമോ എന്നൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. So this is the first step. We will take 2 breads and flatten it because to get the shapes, this step is essential. I used a glass to get the shape, but you can use any caps of large containers. The first step towards making the bread pockets are done. So now we will move on to make some breadcrumbs. You can always buy breadcrumbs from the supermarket, but I did not want to waste the sides of the bread, hence I'm making some breadcrumbs out of it. As you can see, I am making a lot of breadcrumbs, but this is just to refrigerate it later, so you can use it for other recipes. A tip to refrigerate these breadcrumbs for longer is to just toss it in the fry pan for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it will stay for longer. Now take the breadcrumbs you need and keep the rest aside. We have the breadcrumbs ready, the bread pockets ready, so we will beat 3 eggs and keep that aside as well. The next step is to take our bread pockets, dip it in egg and simply coat it with our freshly made breadcrumbs. Make sure you take your time and coat it properly and repeat the process. The coated bread pockets are now ready. So let's heat the pan and fry them. Let's keep the flame at medium and fry it until golden brown by turning the sides every 3 to 4 minutes. The crispy bread pockets are ready, so now we will move on to the filling. We are cooking the chicken with salt and pepper and then shredding it without the bones. For the filling, we'll be adding a chopped carrot and cucumber, 1 onion and a few leaves of lettuce. Then we will go ahead by adding our shredded chicken. To these dry ingredients, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo, some salt to taste, and pepper according to the spice level you need. Mix it well and our filling is ready. Now we will go ahead and cut our bread pockets and fill it with the mixture we made. There you go, the mouth-watering bread pocket shawarmas are now ready. Please do let me know in the comments if you tried it and liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless you all.